If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah.
Hi guys, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming here. I really appreciate. If you are new here, my name is Monica, and on this channel we create content about natural hair, and on this channel we love God so much. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing, liking this video and watching this video to the end. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate. I am forever grateful. You're amazing. Thank you. So in today's video is basically about how to make flaxseed gel at home. Making your own flaxseed gel at home. I am going to be showing you step by step, and then we are going to try it on my hair and style with my hair. So if this is a video that you are interested in, you want to watch this video to the end and stick around to the end, and I am very sure you will not be disappointed by watching this video. So in today's word, Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5, the Bible says that trust in the Lord with all your heart, not some sections of your heart alone, with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. Your own understanding will tell you that whatever you are facing right now, it is impossible to overcome it. But God's understanding says it is possible. I will get you out of it. I love you. It is possible to get a job. It is possible to get in a relationship. It is possible to be healed. Nothing is impossible with God. That is God's understanding. So keep on trusting, and without wasting time, we are starting this video right now.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
So guys, this is the gel. It is very thick and very gentle, as you can see. It was so messy, very messy while I was doing it, and I think you saw it in the video, in the previous video. So it is so messy. So I'm going to try it on my hair right now. So I did something different and I added in my favorite natural oils. So I added in olive oil and castor oil as you saw earlier. So let's go ahead and test it on my hair and see what is going to happen.
Find the one.
Like it is defining my hair.
The way life changes when in love.
The way I want to go, but you can see.
That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish.
I don't have a brush, so
memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. Find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe
leave it like this. What I'm gonna do is this other section, I'm going to change it because I feel like it looks cute without me flat twisting here.
I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I don't take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh. Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby.
And then
Breathe slow, baby.
I'm gonna do something different.
We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
Then here.
If you find the one, you should never give her
You
up.
see?
I think it's the
the
way life
definition?
changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
So what I'm going to do, I am going to cover my hair with a satin hair scarf and then let my hair air dry, and then I'll come with the sides and show you how it looks like. So guys, I can't find my satin hair scarf. So this one is more satin. It's going to work. So guys, this is how my hair is looking like. It's not yet dry 100%, but it is still wet. But this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Yeah. I kind of like how this gel made my hair look like when I applied for the first time. I think you saw it, like it kind of just laid my hair straight like that, and I have never experienced that with the gels that I normally use. So it is a nice gel.
I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I I still dream about the days when we were young.
So
I'll take a hit and still
this is how it looks like, and my hair is not feeling ratchet right now anymore.
The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby.
Let me know what you think about this video. If you have tried making flaxseed gel, if you have ever tried on your hair, and I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. And let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. And if